Hey there, everybody. I want to give you a heads up on the essay assignment that is due for your work package for this week, for your pre-break week 1. And so you will receive this paper right here. It's just an outline worksheet, nothing big. Make sure to put your name on it. And I want to explain what to do. So first of all, it says 3 topics over here, okay? What you want to do for those 3 topics. Now that you've completed your work package, I want you to go back. For an example, let me grab one here. So if you have the package that says simplifying variable expressions, distributed property, evaluating variable expressions, all the equations, 1-step, 2-step, multi-step, and the polynomials, take a look through each of the pages and pick 3 that you understand the best. Now, for an example, I'm just using the first page here, simplifying variable expressions. If you feel like that's one that you understand very well, and you would write down on here, simplify variable expressions. So that's number 1. Sorry about that. Okay. So you may not choose that one. You can choose any of the 3 that are in your package. You've done the package, so you should be able to do most of them. And here's why. We're creating an outline of what will be a draft for your next part of the assignment. So in order to complete this, you're going to go ahead and fill in number 2 and number 3. Again, that's your 3 pages. So then go back to your simplified variable expressions or whatever you chose for number 1 and begin to work in this group right here. So this is 1 has 3 subpoints, A, B, and C. The first subpoint is going to talk about, that's funny that keeps going off. The first subpoint is going to talk about, and I'm going to scroll down at the bottom here, A, what do you need to know? B, how do you solve it? And C, just give an example. So I want to start you off with this one and say, so for A, what do you need to know? Well, in order to simplify variable expressions, you'll need to know how to combine like terms. You also might need to know that like terms have the same variable. So I could just put like, it's my outline. Whoops, it's my outline, so I can write it like this. Same variable. Okay? So that would be for A. And then part B, you want to say, well, how do you do that? Well, I would say add or subtract, combine, I'll say it like this, add or subtract, the like terms from left to right. So I might put from left to right. I may say something, let's see, there are some that you may have to multiply. On ours paper, there's not too many you have to multiply. You would have to do a distributive property on there. I would also say pay attention to the signs. So I would put pay attention. My writing is really bad today. To the signs. Okay, again, I'm just making a general list. And then for C, I want to give an example. Pick one on the paper that you think is easy for you to do. I'm just going to pick, I don't know, number 11. So number 11 says 35n minus 1 plus 46. So now I'm done. I have my simplify like terms topic. I have background of the things I need to know, little information how to do it, and an example that I can give. That's all I want for the outline. Continue the same thing for number 2 and number 3 with 2 different pages that you choose from your packet. All right, good luck and do your best.